allocate. I have ruler. Okay, and I have scissor. Okay, and I have drawing paper. What can I do? Let's see. I gonna draw some line between the bird drawing. Look at that. What I gonna make? Actually, I gonna make 3D drawing. How to do? Look at this. Firstly, after I draw the line, I gonna color this. Yeah, I gonna start with blue first. Blue gradation. Okay. Yeah, and then I gonna take light blue for the hat. Keep going, yeah. Make it tidy, okay? Yeah. Actually, this is not really difficult. And then what color? Dark green with gradation with light green. Oh yeah, you can get the coloring paper from my Instagram Mulyadi Art Class. How to do? You can screenshot the drawing and then you can print it. Is it right? Okay. Now I start with yellow now. Okay. I'm gonna make this bird colorful so the result will be more beautiful. Okay, to make 3D drawing, if you want to draw by yourself, try make it drawing a bit fat, because later when you lay on the floor or on the table, it's gonna be normal. Yeah, orange here. Okay, this is the secret of the 3D drawing. Yeah, now I'm gonna color orange, light orange, light orange. Okay, don't forget to not draw out of the line. Keep color inside so the result will be more tidy and beautiful. Okay. Yeah. Nice. I hope you can follow the step by step of the color, because I not time lapse this one, so you can follow properly, right? That's right. What else now? Yellow. Keep coloring. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel, okay? Okay, if you like, you can comment like. Is that only enough? Pink now. Oh yeah, my name is Mr. Mulyadi. I work in Jakarta as an art teacher. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is finished. After this, I'm gonna cut the line. Yeah, white first, and then I start to cut the outline. See, I cut the straight outline first between the down and up, between the bird. Okay, cut properly. Actually, for the other people, they use cutter, but because I teach primary, okay, I suggest you to use scissor only. so it is not dangerous for you. Cut carefully, yeah? Be careful with your hand. Cut the big part first, the easy part first. You can cut it. After you cut the easy part, you can fix the detail now. You can cut the detail, the small area. Okay, like what I do. Yeah, see carefully. Okay, here I cut slowly and not time lapse, so you can follow, right? See, pay attention to the way I cut. Yeah. Now the other one, the other part here. Carefully. Yeah. Oh yeah, kid, again, don't forget to subscribe my channel, yeah? And tell your friend you have my channel. Okay? So easy, right? Yeah. Yeah, almost finished. Yeah. Okay, almost done. See, I still see the some part, the detail that not cut yet. Now I cut it. So like that, the way to cut. First from the big area first, from the easy part, and then you go to the detail to cut it. You see the detail and cut it. Now it's done now. After you're done, you can put on the table and see the position while you take some photograph. It looks so 3D. Oh yeah, forgot. I draw some shadow under the bird, the shadow. See, with pencil. After that, you can draw it with your hand or the tissue. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, see? Easy, right? Okay, now I'm gonna make it soft with the tissue. Okay, kid, please pay attention to my drawing. Keep follow my drawing. Keep watch my drawing, okay? And don't forget, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.